Did you know that effective communication can unlock doors to personal growth, healthier relationships, and professional success? Imagine transforming the way you connect with others, leading to a more fulfilled life. Welcome, everyone. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic that influences every aspect of our lives: communication. Whether you're in a casual conversation with friends or delivering a presentation at work, mastering the art of communication is vital for enhancing our social wellness. It impacts our ability to express thoughts, build connections, and foster understanding in our relationships. Let's explore how improving our communication skills can elevate our social wellness to new heights. Firstly, let's break down what social wellness truly means. Social wellness is the ability to form and maintain healthy relationships while being part of a community. Effective communication is a key component of this. Here are some strategies to enhance your communication skills. 1. Active listening. One of the most essential elements of effective communication is listening. Practice active listening by fully focusing on the speaker, maintaining eye contact, and responding appropriately. This shows respect and fosters a deeper connection. 2. Nonverbal communication. Remember that communication isn't just about words. Your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice play a crucial role. Be aware of your nonverbal signals and ensure they match your verbal communication. 3. Empathy and understanding. Try to put yourself in the other person's shoes. Empathy can transform a conversation, allowing for a deeper understanding of perspectives and feelings. This connection often leads to more meaningful dialogues. 4. Clarity and conciseness. Be clear and direct in your communication. Avoid jargon or overly complex language that may confuse your listener. Simplifying your message can help ensure that your points are understood. 5. Feedback. Don't shy away from giving or receiving feedback. Constructive feedback promotes growth and improvement, both in your own communication skills and those of others. Encourage open conversation to create a safe space for feedback. 6. Practice, practice, practice. Communication is a skill that can be honed over time. Engage in conversations regularly. Seek out opportunities to connect with different people and practice your skills. You'll gain confidence and improve your abilities. By incorporating these strategies into your daily interactions, you can significantly enhance your social wellness and create more meaningful connections in your life. Let's summarize. Effective communication is crucial for social wellness. Remember to listen actively, use appropriate body language, practice empathy, communicate clearly, welcome feedback, and keep practicing. These strategies can significantly foster better relationships and personal growth. In our next segment, we will explore common barriers to effective communication and share tips for overcoming them to build even stronger connections. Conclusion. As we conclude, remember that mastering the art of communication is a continual journey, one that can directly enhance your social wellness. By fostering better relationships and understanding, you not only improve your life, but the lives of those around you. So, step out there, communicate effectively, and watch how your world transforms. Thank you for joining me today.